video. I'm just checking because this weekend I'm thinking of doing a Disney Q&A. Now, you can't do a Q&A without some questions. So, in this description box, I think they call it, put some questions on in the description, and maybe if we get enough, then I will do, well, I'm doing the Q&A, but I need loads of questions. So I'm saying about 10 if we can. I have 23 subscribers now. So if we can get to 10 or 20, perfect. 15, perfect. Anything over 10. So over 10 questions, please, come on guys, I know you can do it. I just need simple questions like about Disney, so like where we stay in or, stuff like that. So yeah, I'll see you guys this weekend. Bye. Mwah.